Welcome to Akses RCBD, India's #1 RCC building design software. In this video, we are going to learn how to design circular RCC columns for static and seismic loads. Click on Login. Click on Open Project button. Select project name. Click Open to continue. Let us design circular RCC columns. Click on Circular Column Design button. Select column. Note that we have already designed beams resting on this column and the upper level column, which is required in order to validate the clauses of IS 18930. Click OK to continue. Column design panel is visible. Click Yes to use the value of depth which was used in the model. Member number and column label are shown here. And here we have column level. This is our column section. MP diagram. And force and moments at origin and terminal ends. Load combination is shown here. Here we can select diameter of column, effective lengths LZ and LY, and concrete grade. We also have axial load P in the column, bending moment MZ at the origin, bending moment MY at the origin, bending moment MZ at the terminal, bending moment MY at the terminal, shear force VZ at the origin, shear force VY at the origin, shear force VZ at the terminal, shear force VY at the terminal, main reinforcement grade, bar diameter, number of bars, cover to the reinforcement, grade of stirrups steel, stirrup diameter, stirrup spacing, eccentricities due to design moments. Minimum eccentricities as per IS 456 code, moments due to eccentricities, NA, PUZ, PUB, and K, additional moments due to length effect, total moment capacities required, resultant moment capacity required, moment capacity of the column, safety result, shear stress and shear, and strong column weak beam check. Let us leave column size, concrete grade, and reinforcement details and grade as it is. Click on Analysis. Click EQ Analysis. Column section is safe and as per IS code recommendation. Click Save. Click Report. Detailed design calculation report with clauses of IS 456 and IS 13920 is visible. Let us close this report. Click Exit to continue. Repeat this procedure for other identical columns. Akses RCBD. Download a free demo at www.akses.in. Thanks for watching this video. Please call 9049004901 if you need any assistance.